we're building a very 100-story school, both for grown-ups and kids. 3 buildings.
Wow, 3 buildings today.
The school,
The school,
the Empire State Building,
Empire State Building, gonna build one here.
and the very last one is the construction site school. Okay, so we'll use an excavator. By when all our buildings are already, let's put a wrecking ball in our construction site. I think we need the dump trucks for a very long building. I need 100 loads of sand. Hello guys, so this is ITC Corp and we're just about to drive the excavator and carpets in this.
What are you building,
so
sir?
We're building a very 100-story school and it's not yet finished. It's just like this. We're gonna finish it today.
Finish it when?
Today.
Today?
Today.
How many floors is your building, sir?
100.
Is it a school building?
100 floors.
100 floor school building? Is that allowed?
Yeah.
What else are you gonna do today?
And we're also gonna design it with different kinds of pictures all around the school. And we'll cooperate. And we'll put also the young bugs in the school.
The bags?
Yeah,
What
and we're also gonna put cubbies for the bags.
Cubbies for the bags, that's right.
And we're also gonna make many. It's for a grown-up school, so we're gonna put grown-up things inside.
What kind of grown-up things?
I'm only not gonna say it, so because I don't
For the
remember.
teachers?
Yeah, for the teachers. A school for the teachers, so that they know already. It's this quiz both for grown-ups and kids.
For grown-ups and kids.
So those parts are the grown-ups and the very many ones. This long one is the kids. And then just here in the next building is the playground.
Oh, there's your playground.
And then there's gonna be circle time area, and then up there.
Circle time area.
And then on the very top is the balcony in the school.
Are the kids allowed in the balcony?
The one there is very high, so the kids are allowed.
The wall is high. They won't fall down, you mean?
Yeah. And actually, there's still holes in our building, so we'll continue it today.
There's real holes. What will you do about the holes?
We'll just put blocks.
Blocks?
Small, young blocks on the bottom and square blocks in this very strong lamps and tape them all together. Tape them.
Tape them?
Yeah.
How about concrete?
And we also use also tape and then concrete for the rest.
What equipment will you use?
We're gonna use the cement mixer. And we'll just dig sand when we need.
And then?
And we'll make it 100. I think this is 100. It just had those in this covers, nothing in all my buildings. So we'll continue it today, or maybe a different day on the different. I think we'll do 3 today. So 1, 2, 3.
3 what?
3 buildings.
Wow, 3 buildings today.
The school.
The school.
Oh, the Empire State Building.
Empire State Building. Gonna build one here.
And the very last one is the construction site school.
Oh, it's a school that has a construction site. You'll teach the kids how to make a school? To make a building?
No, that's not. It's a grown-up school for building because that's the grown-ups. For
Okay.
grown-ups. So
What are the equipment you will use?
we'll use the today to make a road. We'll use a roller also.
Roller? What?
We'll use a roller to make a road and also other things that I don't know.
How about what kind of trucks will you use?
I think we don't need any trucks.
Where will you get the sand? How will you bring them here? What will you use?
Why do we need sand?
Because it's still below ground. See? You need to cover it with sand first. Soil?
Okay, so we'll use an excavator and drop it just beside the water.
Okay, and
And
then?
when it rains very hard, we'll come back here and remove the building because it might grow bigger inside the construction site. And we'll change the building maybe beside here.
Okay.
Or if it rains again and it goes here, we'll put it then beside this corporate. But if it rains again, and it doesn't flood anymore, we'll just make it stay there. But if it's older, I'll just destroy it. When all our buildings are older ready, let's put a wrecking ball in our construction site.
Rocking ball?
Yeah, so that when our buildings are old, we can destroy it. I think we need the dump trucks for a very long building.
How many?
I need 100 loads of sand, maybe.
100 loads of sand. Okay, and then?
And then when the rain is dry, the sun will dry all those puddles and...
Yeah, that's right. You need the sun.
And ITC Corp, and we're just about to construct. And we've been building buildings for a time.
Right.
So this is our construction site, and this is how it looks like, and ITC Corp, and driving the excavator, building buildings, and more.
What's your position, sir, in RTC Corp? Are you the architect?
Yeah. And but work lots of other buildings. So that when it starts to rain, but we're not gonna conquer the building with the wrecking ball. Like that. You have to conquer it when it's gonna rain and it's gonna flood a small flood, because there might be a wind and it will blow the building down.
You have to make it strong, right? So that the wind won't blow the building down. Is that what are you saying?
I mean, no.
No.
What else from the wind is the water might make it float. It might fly down on the sand. And then the excavator won't be able to pass. And then this is a building that we made, and it's finished already at ITC Corp. But anyway, we're gonna be inside the excavator, and we'll excavate and go around the construction site also, and the work sites. And there's many other buildings that we're gonna do also. And there's also lots of other things we can do, like walking around the job site and bringing and making a small construction site. And that's what we can do, and making a construction site with my own vehicles, not the real ones, and the since on this construction site, and the drone is here.
Yeah, the drone is waiting.
And the drone is gonna fly after this.
Okay.
And the corporate and on the construction site, in the excavator is the only vehicle that we have here. We just cannot find the other. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching. Fire for more!
Your zipper's open. Look,
Oh,
look.
no.
Your
no.
zipper is open. They see your zipper
Alright.
open.
We're watching over there.